Now, dear students, in our exercise 3.4, we will deal some questions based on chance and probability. We know that when a coin is thrown, it has two possible outcomes. You know what is coin? It has two possible outcomes, head or tail. And for a die that we use to play snake and ladder and ludo, etc. So it has die have six possible outcomes. A number from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We say that the probability of getting head or tail is equal and it is 1 upon 2 for each, because if we are saying that favorable outcome should be head, so it can be head or it can be tail also. So total number of outcomes will be 2 and favorable outcome over head will be 1, so it will be 1 upon 2. Okay, so what do you mean by probability? Probability of an event that is likely to be occur, we can say it the relative likelihood of an event happening. In mathematics, I will give you that definition of probability, and it is a number between 0 and 1 expressing the precise likelihood of an event happening. Okay, now let us see the first question. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen, but not certain. Here under it there are 5 statements given to us, and we have to, and we will give the answers under these. Certain to happen means particular things निश्चित तौर पर ही होगा. Impossible means वह कभी नहीं होगा, असंभव. Can happen but not certain कि वह हो सकता है लेकिन यह निश्चित नहीं. Certain means definitely the things going to happen. Okay, so under it the first point is you are older today than yesterday. You are older today than yesterday and it is certain to happen because आज हम जिस एज के हैं कल से हम बड़े हो चुके. ओके, यू आर ओल्डर टुडे देन यस्टरडे, हम कल से ज़्यादा एज के हो चुके. ओके, तो इट इज सर्टेन टू हैपन. द सेकेंड पॉइंट अंडर इट इज a tossed coin will land heads up. Okay, means when we tossed a coin it will land heads. यानी जब हम एक पर्टिकुलर कॉइन को उछालते हैं, टॉस करते हैं, तो वह हेड ही आएगा. इट कैन हैपन, द आंसर इज इट कैन हैपन बट नॉट सर्टेन. ऐसा हो सकता है कि हम कॉइन उछालें और क्या है, हेड, बट इट इज नॉट certain because tail also can come. Okay, it can be tail also. That's why the answer is it can happen but not certain. Third point, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. A dice that you know that I already explained you. So the answer is it is impossible. Why? Because there are only 6 numbers on a die from 1 to 6. Means there are 6 faces on die and it is marked as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 on it. Okay, so the answer is it is impossible. The fourth one, the next traffic light seen will be green. The next traffic light will be green. Let's see the answer. It can happen but not certain. ऐसा हो सकता है but ये certain नहीं है, निश्चित नहीं है. It is not certain because light can be of different There are also the red, yellow and green. Fifth one, tomorrow will be a cloudy day. It can happen but not certain. ऐसा हो सकता है but it is not certain. यह निश्चित नहीं कि यही हो, because it depends on weather. ओके ये मौसम पे डिपेंड करता है. कल क्लाउडी डे हो सकता है बट हो सकता है सनी डे हो जाए. ओके सो दीज आर द आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. लेट मी शो यू ऑन बुक. There are 6 marbles in a box with numbers from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. Okay. So there are 6 marbles. Total number of marbles are 6 and on each marble there are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 marked separately. Okay. So under it there are 2 questions. Let us see the first question. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? So let us see the solution. There are 6 marbles in the box with number 1 to 6 are marked. So probability of drawing a marble with number 2 is equals number of favorable outcomes divided by number of possible outcomes. So student, there are 6 marbles. Total number of marbles are our number of possible outcomes here. यहाँ पर number of possible outcomes क्या है? हमारे total number of marbles. हम box में जब भी कोई भी marble draw करेंगे यानी उसे निकालेंगे, ओके, तब इन 6 में से कोई एक ही निकलेगा. So number of possible outcomes are 6 and number of favorable outcomes under this question will be 1 because they are saying probability of drawing a marble with number 2 and there is only one marble which has number 2 marked on it. So answer is 1/6 और हमें probability हमेशा 0 and 1 के बीच ही मिलेगी. ओके तो इसकी मैथमेटिकल वैल्यू 0 से 1 के बीच ही होगी या फिर वो 1 होगी. ओके सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? It is same as our previous question number 1. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? Probability of drawing a marble with number 5 equal number of favorable outcomes divided by number of possible outcomes. Here possible outcomes are 6 and number of favorable outcome is 1 because there is only one marble which has number 5 marked on it. Okay dear students, so this is the end of your question number 2. What question number 3 says? A coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? Means एक कॉइन उछाला जाता है जिसमें ये डिसाइड किया जाएगा विच टीम स्टार्ट द गेम, कि कौन सी टीम गेम स्टार्ट करेगी. देयर आर 2 टीम्स. ओके सो व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट योर टीम विल स्टार्ट? उसकी क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि हमारी टीम स्टार्ट करेगी. ओके सो लेट अस सी द सॉल्यूशन. ए कॉइन हैज 2 फेसेस, वन इज हेड एंड अदर वन इज टेल. ओके कॉइन के 2 फेसेस होते हैं, one is tail and another is head. Now one team can choose either head or tail when the coin will flip. जब कॉइन को टॉस किया जाएगा, उसे फ्लिप किया जाएगा, तो एक टीम या तो हेड चूज कर सकती है या टेल. देन प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ आवर टीम स्टार्ट फर्स्ट विल बी number of favorable outcomes upon number of total outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes divided by number of total outcomes. Here outcome means result or parinam in Hindi. Okay. It will be better if we write here possible. Okay. Number of possible outcomes. Now, and number of favorable outcomes means if one team is choosing head or tail, it can choose only one. So number of favorable outcomes for us will be 1, and number of possible outcome head or tail, it is 2. So it is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is our probability. So this is the end of your last exercise of chapter 3. Okay.